Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Sony GP-VPT2BT, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this is one of my favourite pieces of gear. Before I start my list, let's get something important out of the way. I've seen a lot of people say that this item is overpriced, and actually I do agree. For £170 it's not worth it at all, but you can usually find it on a deep discount. For example, I bought this as a bundle offer with my Sony ZV-1, and it ended up only being an additional £60. And for that, I think it's great value. The grippy feet on the legs stop it from sliding around too much on the table, which is nice if you have your camera sitting on it whilst it's charging or whilst it's transferring data. I also like to just keep my camera sitting on this overnight, as it's a nice way to display it. A lot of people like to use this as a table tripod when they're shooting their vlogs, but actually is also great for taking close-up shots on the floor if you don't have one of those tripods that can go upside down. This is handy for when you want to take detailed shots lower to the ground. If you're using a compact camera like the ZV-1, the grip makes it a lot easier to wield, especially if you have bigger hands. So one hand could just be holding the grip whilst your other hand is free to fiddle around with the settings. Number 4. The remote control function is great, and it's really handy if you set up all your lights, your tripod and your microphone and you don't want to get out of position. You can start and stop your recording without even leaving your seat, as I'm going to do right now. They've got the girth on this handle just right, and it's a pleasure to hold. When the camera is mounted to the handle, it feels thick, it feels solid, and it feels tight. You get a sense that it should stand up to a lot of abuse as well. There's no worry that it's going to suddenly snap one day and damage your expensive camera. And for my bonus reason, I like that it takes these flat lithium batteries so that I don't have to worry about charging it up every night. And there's no worry that the battery will degrade one day, because if you run out, you can just simply go to the shops and buy a couple for a few quid. Just don't forget to bring your old batteries along with you to get them recycled.
Allora, io ho acquistato con Amazon Warehouse e c'era scritto che la scatola sarebbe potuta essere danneggiata, ma è perfetta. Tipo, anche dentro sembra essere perfetta. Adesso vediamo. Ottimo, quindi livretti di istruzioni sempre ok. Bustina porta prodotto. E tadan! Mamma mia, è perfetto. No, totalmente nuovo. Sembra anche molto robusto, fantastico.